Living in Florida, it's hot. And in your car, it's even hotter. And when your AC is not working, it can be devastating. Bring your car to BlackWidow Auto Repair and Sales. We will give you a free quote. We have highly trained air conditioning technicians to make sure your air conditioning is working correctly. At BlackWidow Auto Repair and Sales, we will cool you back off and make sure your air conditioning is blowing cold as ice and is working the way it's supposed to.
BlackWidow, we're here for you.
BlackWidow, we're here for you.
At BlackWidow Auto Repair and Sales, customer satisfaction is our top priority.
At BlackWidow, we are here for you.
BlackWidow Auto Repair and Sales, located at 12087 62nd Street, North, Suites 1 and 2, Largo, Florida, 33773. Call us today at 727-220-1811.